Hey guys, I'm Wanda and welcome to Crazy Days. Today, I want to tell you I took Danny to Walmart, one of the places he really don't like to go, on Black Friday. Now we didn't go early. We went like 10 o'clock. Still a lot of people, still quite a bit of sales and stuff like that. So on our Thanksgiving video, we talked about what we wanted to do with the cabin as far as Christmas, because our goal was to have Thanksgiving and Christmas in the cabin. So we want to decorate a little bit. And as you can see, I found a little Norfolk pine. It already had the little bows on it, and it looks right nice. So we're going to add this into the cabin. But let me show you some of the ornaments I did find, because I told you I couldn't find what I was looking for. I found a few. Now in our attic, I have a few things that have collected over the years as far as ornaments. And I have some red ornaments. I have blue and silver, but I didn't want blue and silver over here at the cabin. I wanted red and gold. I found this tub of ornaments that are all gold. And they're made different. They're the same size, but made different. So this, added in with my red ones, should be enough for the tree. Throughout the years, I've always liked these little candles that are powered by batteries. So I'm going to put one in the windows or somewhere, and I may go back after more. But for now, I bought two, and we're going to go from there and see what we can do with them. But I might have a couple in the attic. But I like these just sitting in the window. When you've got the curtains drawn and someone comes by, they see a single candle in the window. Now they had a few things that came in. This one has 4 pieces. It is bells, and they look really cute. They've got a reddish tint, kind of a burgundy tint. Should fit in with the gold really well. And there's 4 of those. 4 of the stars that are the same color. And look at here, 3 of the mini lanterns. I thought that was pretty cool. They look awesome, and they all have that burgundy dark color to them, and they should fit in with the gold and the red really well. All right, one thing that I really liked was the K, and it's kind of an old-fashioned, looks like it's a plank. It really isn't, but it's a K for king. That is our last name, and I thought, hey, that works on our tree. I also found the little choo-choo train. I thought that was going to look good. I like bells, jingle bells. This is a star, and one of them's got hung the wrong way, but like that. I've got more of the bells at the house, so I'm going to be adding bells to my Christmas tree. This one is a 10. It's a heart-shaped 10 with a little bit of decorations on it. Thought it looked really old-timey. Yo, I was just liking that there was some old-timey looking things. This one I got for Danny because I like the little jingle bells. This one has jingle bells, but look at here. Like antlers with bells. Isn't that cute? What Christmas tree would not be complete without a gingerbread man hanging from it? And here in South Mississippi, I told Danny, we do not have snow, but we can dream, I guess, of a white Christmas on occasion. But the sleigh, this is very popular up north with people having sleighs to pull around in the snow, or used to be. I don't know how many people do it now, but I thought that was pretty cool to have a sleigh. So guys, I took Danny to Walmart on Black Friday. He ended up with a couple of shop lights because his was going bad and they had them on sale, so we got those. So he got a little of his Christmas early. He got shop lights. We went to the hardware store. He wanted a cordless skill saw. They had those, so we ended up getting one of those. So Danny got Christmas early. So he won't have too much to open under the tree, but I'll find a few things. So Guys, I hope you enjoyed my little haul that I'm going to use to decorate, and at some time in the future we're going to show you what the cabin looks like with a little bit of Christmas cheer here at Deep South Homestead. So thank you guys from Crazy Days.